Did you know there's a peaceful lake hidden in the heart of Shah Alam? Let's take a look from above. This is Taman Tasik Section 7, one of Shah Alam's favorite recreational parks. Surrounded by lush greenery, it's a popular spot for jogging, cycling, and evening walks. Despite being close to residential areas and universities, the park offers a surprisingly calm atmosphere. From the sky, you can truly appreciate how much green space surrounds the lake. The lake not only adds to the beauty of the area, but also provides a habitat for various birds and aquatic life. Early mornings and sunsets are among the best times to visit. Whether you're looking for a peaceful walk, a place to exercise, or simply somewhere to relax with family and friends, this park is definitely worth visiting. If you enjoy discovering beautiful places around Malaysia, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know where I should fly my drone next.